Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to be private on Bereal. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to be private on Bereal, you need to first of all be public on Bereal app. Like you need to be in the discovery page, or you need to give access to your friends to see your photos. So simply tap on the picture you have posted, and then once you select it, tap on the three dots option. There you can find the select your audience, and once from my friends plus their friends, you need to switch to my friends only. So once you switch to my friends only, you will now be successfully privated on your Bereal, as only the friends that you have followed back will be able to find your Bereal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.